Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a rich and flavorful jollof rice sauce that never disappoints. Yes, this sauce never disappoints. First, you need to steam cook our peppers, onions, tomatoes, and garlic until they release their flavors. Make sure to keep stirring to prevent burning. Once the vegetables are steamed, allow to cool and blend them until smooth. I have a detailed video on my channel on how to make the perfect smoky Nigerian jollof rice. So be sure to check that out too. So now let's fry our tomato paste for about 5 to 10 minutes. And keep on stirring to avoid burning. Now it's time to add spices. Seasoning cubes, and salt for that delicious flavor. At this point, pour in the blended tomatoes mixture. Stir and let it cook for a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. Finally, add in beef stock. This is the backbone of the jollof sauce. Yes, beef stock is the best thing that ever happened to jollof rice. So if you want your jollof rice to make you want your jollof rice to jollof, always use your beef stock. Stir, cover and let it simmer for a few more minutes, and just like that your jollof sauce is ready. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.